Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a project that I'm going to show you how to make. It is a really cute teacher gift, a post-it note holder that is made on an acrylic frame. So I made this one here. I'm making them for my leaders that teach with me in Awana. So I used the acrylic frame, and then I used some paper, patterned paper, some cardstock, ribbons, embellishments, and then a post-it note there, and then I added a pen. So the things that you'll need is a couple different patterned papers. I have this pattern paper here. It's from the Farmer's Market Hot Buy from Michaels. So I chose the gingham and the apple paper, and then I have a red cardstock. You will need some tearing tape or glue, the acrylic frame, and I found this at the Dollar Tree. It's a 4x6. You will need a paper trimmer, a couple different ribbons. I have this red gingham that was from, I think, Target or Walmart. And then I have this red satin ribbon or sheer ribbon from the Dollar Tree. You need some scissors, you need some post-it notes, and these were from the Dollar Tree, and then some embellishments, either a flower, or you can stamp a sentiment or a picture, whatever you want. I had these little puffy apples that I had ordered years and years ago, so they were in my stash, so I'm going to use these to make. So let's get this stuff cleared off and we will get started. The first thing you want to do is remove all the sticker, and there's like a clear film that's on the acrylic frame, and remove the piece of paper out of there. Then you want to choose a base print that you'll be cutting and covering the front of your acrylic frame. So I already cut this out. It's 4x6, and I'm just going to use my tearing tape and adhere it down. This is a really super simple, inexpensive gift that you can give for a teacher appreciation, or just, you know, co-workers, things like that. So we're just going to glue this down here. If you wanted to, you could also put it in between where the picture frame goes, but I like to have it showing on the front. Just like that. And then I cut a piece of my the gingham pattern here, and I cut it 4, and it is about an inch and a quarter, or no, an inch and 3/4. Yeah, inch and 3/4. So an inch and 3/4 by 4, and I'm going to glue that on top of a piece that is 2 inches by 4 inches of my solid cardstock. So I'm just going to put that down there. And there are endless ways that you could decorate these. This is a good way. You can use up your scraps to make these projects because they don't take a lot of paper. So then once you have that done, we're going to glue it down on top of here, and I'm going to do it across the top just like I did this one. Actually, I put this on the wrong way because I would like it to sit down like this. So I'm going to turn my apples the other direction. just like that. And then I'm going to put this up here at the top. I'm going to leave about a 1/2 inch. And then we're going to tie some ribbon around in the center of this block here. And I'm just going to tie it, double knot it with tails. And just trim it off. All right, now I'm just going to put a few of the little felt puffy apples, and I'm going to do the solid red. And as I said before, you can put a flower here with a rhinestone or a button. You could stamp, like if you had an apple stamp, you could stamp an apple, you could stamp a sentiment, and attach that there too. It's just whatever you have that you want to decorate it with. And for these, I'm just going to use a little bit of tacky glue and just do a little collage of my apples. Just like that. Now you just want to choose one of your sticky notes and put 2 pieces of tearing tape on there to glue it onto the top there, or on the top of the acrylic frame. And I'm just going to center it in the bottom section here, just like that. Next thing you want to do is take your other ribbon and pull it around the back here, and give yourself plenty because you're going to be double knotting it and then tying a bow. So first you want to do 1 tie and then pull in your pen and tie it over the top of that, another knot. And that will secure the pen, so then you can tie a bow on top of that. And then you just need to adjust it so the bow lays right. And then cut off at the bottom. Just like that. So these are quick and easy, inexpensive gifts that you can make for a teacher or for a coworker, and it is something that they could use, and it just looks really cute. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.